Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio. My name's Connor. This is a Porsche Cayenne we are sat in today. None other than 2014 958 chassis code. That's 958? Yeah, it's 958. This is a big car with big possibilities. And when I mean big possibilities, I mean nothing but the biggest KENWOOD screen that they do. The DMX9720XDS for you model number fanboys. But to me, it's just a cracking screen. I have one in my own car. If that ain't testament for how good it is, I don't know what is. Let's give it some juice, turn it on, and show you what it looks like. Bosh. Get rid of the disclaimer once that comes up. Now I shut the windows because the engine's a bit noisy. Now, because we've done this correctly, what we've done, we've installed the adapter that allowed the parking sensors to come up on the screen. So that's the factory optical parking sensor still displayed, red because I'm right next to something behind me, and obviously there's a car right in front, not right in front, but there. So they all work as standard. You've got all steering wheel controls working as well. Oh, there you go, my phone's all kicked in now as well. So this unit, basics, we have Apple CarPlay, we have Android Auto, we've got Bluetooth telephone calls, DAB radio obviously, fancy graphics which you can change to your own backgrounds. There you go, it's mine. And then what I really like about this unit, simple things, but oh, I do love a rotary knob. Like, it's just, oh, love it. Can't get enough of that. Not a fan of just normal click buttons or capacitive buttons. That does it for me. If it's only that feature, that's a winner. But yeah, this screen, back to the screen, we've got obviously multi-angle adjustment on the fly. So if your customer wants it more tilted back, they can do that. If you want it more tilted forward, they can also do that. You know, so they get to pick the exact angle depending on how tall they are or how short they are. Okay, now this unit also has a 3-year warranty, which we register upon installation. You can also review us, or me, or the person that installed it. You can generally review the installation company as a whole. So yeah, that's about it really. It's me signing off. Ciao, ciao.